Is your computer feeling vulnerable after that eBay bargain? Let's lock it down by installing Norton antivirus purchased from eBay, step by step. First, locate your Norton product key in the eBay order confirmation email or within your eBay account purchase history. Copy that key, you'll need it shortly. Next, head over to the official Norton website. I've dropped a direct link in the description below for easy access. Avoid downloading from unofficial sources. Once on the Norton site, find the download section specific to activating a pre-purchase product. Look for a button that says download or activate product and give it a click. The installation wizard will pop up when prompted. Paste the product key you copied earlier into the designated field. Read through the license agreement carefully, then click agree to proceed. The installation process will begin. This may take a few minutes, so sit tight. Once installed, Norton will likely ask you to create or sign into your Norton account to fully activate your subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation, and that's it. Your device is now protected, giving you peace of mind while browsing and buying on eBay and beyond. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips to keep you safe online.